So now let's speak about the real experience. At your arrival, Sara and Nando will welcome you. They will do a kind of short briefing about horses, giving you some precious tips on how to ride. But don't worry, because I create this experience for beginner, so no previous experience is needed. And during the promenade, which takes about 1 hour 30, you go through amazing landscape and breathtaking views. At the end, you will move to Elena, and there it's about 2 minutes walking, and there you will find a small tasting with we call tagliere toscano, which is done with local cold cuts, cheeses, and of course a glass of Tuscan good wine.